Placing your hand on your heart and finding your breath within. Now think of 3 things, 3 simple ways that your body has helped you out this past week. You can even pick something from today, like brushing your teeth. It can be something so simple that we often take for granted. 3 things we're thankful to our body for. And thinking of these 3 things, take a deep breath in. And breathe down to your toes. Breathe down to your feet. Feel your feet light up. Breathe to your ankles. Breathe to your calves. Breathe to your thighs. Breathe to your hips. Breathe to your palace, deep within. Breathe to your breast. Breathe to your heart. Unlock your heart with love. Put it open. Breathe to your stomach. Breathe up your spine, feel your spine light up like diamonds. Breathe this thankfulness to your fingers. Breathe into your palm. Breathe into your arms. Feel your entire body just fill up with your divine feminine energy in this beautiful, beautiful bright light. Filling up your toes, calves, your thighs, past your palace to your breasts, past your jaw, your lips, your eyes. Your entire body is filled with this sparkling light, and it sparkles all in this beautiful divine feminine energy aura that encircles around you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Breathing a thankfulness to your toes. Breathing your thankfulness to your calves. Breathing your thankfulness to your thighs. Thank you to your hips. Thank you to your palace and energy within. Thank you to your breasts. Thank you to your heart. Allow your heart to just open up and just love your body unconditionally. Breathe into your fingers. Breathe into your arms. Fill your entire body with your breath, with this beautiful light. Breathe through the aura that's around you. Feel yourself surrounded with these beautiful sparkles of gratitude, this beautiful infusion of your divine feminine energy. Say thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to your body. And now open your eyes. Alright, beautiful. That was our meditation for today. Have a gorgeous, gorgeous day, and feel free to return to this meditation as many times as you would like. Love you.